What's up, guys? We're out in the water today, launching off the boat docks, and we're going out. It's pretty early. It's like out here. Got the lights, got everything. Got him back there. Got the lights. We're leaving the boat dock now. Super dark out there. We're gonna hope to get some mackerel, maybe some jacks, and we might try to get a grouper out there by the Skyway. Alrighty, I'll catch you guys later. As you guys can see, we just picked up some bait from the bait place. Yep. They're all up in there in the bait tank. Now, as you can see, it's a lot lighter out. Still pretty dark way back there. But see, that's the bait people. What's up? Now we just gotta go to the spot. So we'll catch you when we get there. Peace.
What are you doing?
Going to the back. Shark. Look, guys. Shark. This is Florida, man.
Hey, you like being from it?
They're everywhere.
Bro, what?
You get bit right away.
Come on, if you catch one, you have to go. Oh, you're on it. I know.
Oh, Brad.
No, wait, record. Get the.
I got it.
Oh, yeah, guys. Shark on.
Shark on, yo, shark on, shark on.
Shark on in the.
Who got a shark?
Come on, let's go. Grab it. The net.
I'm on the freaking
Ah!
Ah!
pulling.
Well, when that line starts spinning.
I got it. Wait, it's still running. How do you think?
Well, when that line starts spinning.
Malik, you recording me?
Come this way, come this way.
Oh my gosh. We're hooked onto a shark.
Daddy, look at me. Our first video is probably going to be a shark.
No, you don't. I can tell your back's turning to money.
It is, but I got it.
Oh my God, it's so clean.
Bro, did he break it again?
Back, we're fighting in the
Money,
back.
stop holding the line there. Line gets danger, Quest.
I'm doing that.